Hey guys, welcome to a new video. And well, I have some unboxing tools in front of me. It's been way too long, so there's a giant pile here of stuff that I need to unbox. So put on your favorite music, or don't, and well, let's get right into it, because there's a large variety of packages here today, I think. And well, we're going to take a look at them. As always, if this is new to you or you're coming back and it's been a while since we did a QuinBoxed, all links will be in the description, and there will be sections for everything on unpacking, and you know, those are affiliate links. So let me just, other way around. Just if you use those to shop on Aliexpress or to buy the things you see today, thank you very much. Right, packages. This is fully taped up, no clue. Right. I wanted some clear heat shrink that would fit well over LED strip, and I believe these are 10 or 12 millimeter, but they are 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 reduction even with glue, and since they're transparent, they shouldn't impact even if you heat shrink it over an LED. So I'll probably test that in the future. There's certainly plenty of it. Let's see here. Tiny little package. No clue what's in here. There's like, this is, I think most or all of this stuff after the 1st of July. And everything came in, and I did not have to pay any extra fees on anything. So, in my opinion, the new VAT system is working fine, because I just pay VAT on Aliexpress up front. And, well, all my packages, still need to adjust this a little bit. All my packages have been coming in just fine. And, yeah, no problems there. No extra fees. So that's good. So this is a OLED screen or a TFT screen. No, it's an OLED. It says it right here. And I've been testing those for my 8 and Penta boards. You know, testing various versions and pinouts and stuff like that, because we need to make sure it works. Okay. And we have... Oh, speaking of LEDs, we have LEDs. I was breadboarding some stuff. I don't regularly breadboard stuff, but sometimes I do. And I wanted some more LEDs that you could just stick in there. Well, these are some nice SMD, or no, they're not SMD. They're through-hole as LEDs, but they have, they're not round, but they're square. I thought, hey, why the hell not? I think there's going to be some more I2C stuff and things like that in here too. We'll see. Wow, this is all packaged really well. And my top camera situation is a little bit different, so I keep going too high, but I need to be over here. But I'll work on that. Because I changed it a little bit. Oh, well, we don't need to unpack this one. This is another OLED screen. Right. As you know, ordering the same thing from different sellers, because then they'll arrive at different times, and, you know, they might be slightly different, so I evaluate the seller to link to you guys, and, you know, stuff like that. Oh, what's this? Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is a knob. And I think this is a Rotary Encoder board. Yes. So I got some Rotary Encoder boards, but these should be digitally readable. So you don't need an analog pin for it, but you should be able to read these using a digital pin. They're the HW040 type. They feel good. And then you can get these knobs with them to make them even better, I think. Okay, it's a pressure fit, but then it's a nice little knob. That feels good. Cool. Well, we can do experiments with those. Let's go a slightly bigger package. This is totally nondescript. Yeah, okay. Whoa, oh well, that's fine. What are these? Oh no, a lot of screen. Switch and switch. Right. I'm testing, or I'm going to be testing some wall switches. And this is partly also for the AN Penta, because that has 3 dedicated switch pins. And I was like, well, it would be nice during a live stream or something like that to maybe check out some regular wall switches and then see if we can use those to switch, LEDs on and off. So I got various types, and there's probably a lot more in here. So these are normal AC wall switches, normally, but I don't see a reason we couldn't use these to switch DC switch pins, basically. Yeah, that looks pretty standard. Not sure why we got a little capacitor here. What is it? 0.1 UF. Okay. I guess sometimes it's needed. Oh, we got some screws. Okay, oh, sure. So, I'm going to take a quick look at these and then put them back in their packaging. And it's probably going to be a live stream where we're going to test if we can adapt these to our DC loads, basically. So this is probably the same but a different variant. Yep. And these are pretty cheap in China. I think these are only a few bucks, really. Yeah, so same variant. They should have LEDs behind here, so that's going to be interesting if that works using DC power instead of AC. We're probably gonna pry these apart. But as I said, they aren't expensive, and if that works, well, yeah, that could make a nice system. Because a lot of people want buttons on their dimmers, and most commercial dimmers don't actually have button inputs, but all my dimmers do, and well, then they start, demanding more. No, but I get it. You want a nice system, and a lot of people also want to be able to turn it on and off without Home Assistant or a wireless connection. So on the AN Penta, that's why I focused on having dedicated button pins or switch pins, so that even if Home Assistant is down, you can program ESP Home to do the actions you want without Home Assistant being connected. So there's that. Oh, right. No, I ordered this a whole while back. So this is another remote focus thingy, because I thought my top cam also had a remote focus thingy port, but it doesn't. And you've seen in a prior QuinBoxed, I got a wireless one. That's the one I'm using right now, and that works fine. See, I can hit a button, and then it refocuses. And this is for a Panasonic G7, so that works great. And this one is also for a Panasonic G7, but it's a bit cheaper because it's wired instead of wireless. Okay. Yes, Chinesium is in here. Okay. Let's see what it is. More screens, of course. I think I was testing and I got annoyed that I didn't have the screens I wanted to have. So I ordered a whole bunch. And I believe these are actually TFTs, so not OLEDs. Yeah, so these are 80 by 160 RGB. So these are color screens. And again, we're going to test that on, this is the AN Penta prototype we built recently during a stream. And I think this one should fit on here nicely, if, allows and stuff like that. But yeah, we are going to test that. I am going to test that, But then I test it, so you guys can build it later, and it all works. Okay, yes, nice. I was waiting for these. These are some I2C remote, how should I call that? Remote GPIOs over I2C. But these can be an input, an output, or actually PWM, and even do breathing effects and stuff like that by themselves. And again, I'm having I2C on here, so I wanted to explore I2C a bit more, and you'll probably see a lot more I2C stuff in here. Cool. So I'm going to be testing with that. Lots of testing. Sometimes it seems like all I do is testing. But then sometimes I actually release something. So that's good. And make videos. You know, we should make videos. I have to make videos. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Some JST I'm gonna say SH connectors. I keep being too high. Maybe I should move further back. Refocus. Ha ha ha. Okay. And some PH connectors. I don't remember. It'll be in the description. Maybe I'll overlay it, or it'll be in the overlay what I bought. And I just needed some cables and connectors and stuffs. So this is a mystery box because I have no idea what's in here. It came with DHL for some reason. Ah, yes, destroy the box. Okay. Okay. Toggle reset. Okay. This is from somebody in Germany? What? Did I order this? Possible, because I've been ordering wall plates. Oh, yeah, well, I did order this. Somehow it's been sent from Germany. Cool. So this is another wall plate, but these... Oh, wow. Whoa. That's some switch behind there. It's like you're physically moving that relay. I mean... Whoa. Okay. But that's actually good because you kind of want a toggle and hold so you can do momentary presses, and then if you press it quickly or you hold it longer, you can actually assign different actions in ESP Home and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a different wall plate, and again all the normal AC connections which we're going to try and abuse for DC, because again this one also seems to have LEDs, so maybe we need to modify that. Maybe that just works. I mean, I don't know. That's why we're going to test it. I guess I could make it a live stream where we basically tear these apart and see what's inside. And likely there's a resistor there that we might need to adjust to work with our... well, the boards currently send out 3.3 volts instead of 230 AC. But, yeah, more switches. As I said, there's likely more switches in here. We're moving up to the bigger boxes, and I'm leaving the biggest box, which is actually from Amazon this time, for last. Okay. Well, there's a theme going on. Guess what? It's wall switches! Nobody would have ever expected that. So this is another wall switch from a different brand company in a different style. And, oh, okay, this isn't a momentary press. This is a permanent press, I guess you could say. So then you have less options. So with a momentary press, you can do different actions how long you press it. This is just on or off. It has a spot for an LED, so we're going to see about that. And well, it's very simple. It's just, you know, linking those together. Yeah, okay, well. It's just so we... Oh, it's energy rated A++. Well, yeah, it doesn't do anything. What? What? Wait. Light source SMD 5073 cob. Okay, it's an LED wall light. It's 0.6, 1.5, or 3 watt. And then it has CCT. What? What? It has a color index rating of 80. This isn't an LED strip, this is a button. This product can be used in market, supermarket, hotel, etc. No comma. Hotel, etc. Yes. So I guess I'm not allowed to use it in my lab. Well, we'll see about that. Oh, right. I have no clue what's going on here. So this says 0.5 kilos. Yes, good. Yeah. No, I didn't get all of it, all of the tape. Ah, yes. Things we never guessed there's going to be more of. Wall switches. But again, these are all very different types. So here we have... okay, so these are momentary wall switches too. And I believe these also have an LED inside. And they aren't blue like it looks like right now, because this is a protective foil for the super nice brushed aluminum finish. Oh, premium. Yes. And this is a three-way switch, so we have... oh, okay, I like the layout of this. Three, well, basically relays that you change. But then, well, we'll see. We'll see. This is a slightly different style, so let's take a look at that one too. This is a four-way switch, and... oh, okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure about this one to start with, but this isn't a nice switch, because I thought it would be like, okay, you can, you know, push it a little bit, and then it's nice. You know, push it a little bit. But this is... yeah, it's hard to press. Maybe if it's on a wall, you know, you go like, wah, 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 wah. But it needs quite a bit of force. I don't know about that one. Don't know about that one. Oh, look at all those connections. Damn. Yes, okay. Well, I'm not going to unpack all of them. That would get kind of boring. This is... whoa. Oh, damn. That's one spring behind there. It's like you have to do... let's see, these are much easier to press. It's like you have to do all the action yourself. It's like the switch is like, hey man, I'll switch that light for you, but you gotta press it. You gotta really press it. Okay. Yes. So black tape, of course. Nobody knows. Oh, noise. I have that Xiaomi scooter, and I wanted to fill up the little tires on it, but it's very hard to judge with a manual pump how much pressure is actually going in there. So this is a compressor basically on a battery with a battery inside that can actually inflate multiple. Well, if I believe the marketing or the box, it can actually inflate multiple car tires. Oh, nice little pouch. Cool. Okay, the thingy itself, and then USB. Oh, it's USB-C. Good. Well, I shouldn't be surprised about that. I probably selected it because this one was USB-C. But there isn't really a hose to go with it like there is on the picture. Because on the picture there's a little hose thingy. Oh, wait. Is it in... oh, it's in here. Right. Cool. So then you screw it in. And, well, let's just take a look at it. You turn it on. Ooh. No? I have to hold it? Okay, on. Yes. Okay. It's a fuzzy display, but I guess the numbers are big enough. Yeah, so I have no idea somewhere. Okay, we have car, bike, cycle, basketball, person. Oh, and then we can set the units. So we can set, let's see, PSI, bar, kPa, and kilogram per square centimeter? No. What? Whatever. So generally we do bar, and you can say, okay, I want, for a car tire, for instance, you say, okay, I want 2.4 bar, and I guess we say go. Okay, it works, but of course there's no pressure. Let me add some pressure. Oh, okay, done. Okay, wow, that makes a racket. Anyway, so let's turn this off. Okay, off, yes. Cool. Okay, well, that's I guess that's a full product test there. I like that you can store the hose there, and then there's a little pouch you can put it in. Ooh, nice. I like it. I like it. There were very good reviews about this thing, so if you're looking for something like this, I don't think I'll do a full review myself. I think it's going to be fine. Next item. There's 2 items left. Oscilloscopes. Interesting. Okay. Oh, yes. I bought a logic analyzer because, as I said, I want to do more with I2C and stuff like that. Oh, I like these cables. I've had these cables before. They're very flexible. I like those. Logic analyzer. I want to do more stuff with I2C. And, well, a good logic analyzer will help with that, diagnosing the signals and everything that's going on. And these have good software. I downloaded it already and checked it out. You can download for Windows or for Mac, and I believe there's even a Linux version. And it's a 16 channel and can do up to 50 volts. And it can do 200 megahertz with 16 channels. So from what I read, that's pretty good. But I am not a logic analyzer specialist. So we are not going to take a look at this right now. It comes with all the little clamps. Nice. Because I wouldn't know what to tell you yet. Oh, it has the cable. Yes. So, logic analyzer. It's not cheap. Well, it's cheap for what it is, but, you know, still costs money. That should help me test more stuff. Okay. Okay. I think there's actually a lot of packages in there. If this is what I think it is, there's going to be lots of stuff in there. But this might be something else. Don't know. Come on. You can do it. My trusty tool, which you all hate. I'm just gonna dump it. See, this is lots of stuff in here. Okay, I needed some more Dupont cables because I was breadboarding stuff and it was like, I can't find all my cables. Later I did find all my cables, but then it was already shipped, so yeah. But can we have enough Dupont cables? I also got some of these Dupont cables because I like those better with these little plugs and stuff like that. Yeah, so another set of those. Whoa, okay. I didn't think I ordered this many LEDs, but seemingly I did. I can have, you know, an LED party just by myself with all these LEDs. Sure. Okay. Sure. Nope. Wait. Can't it close? Yes. Okay. LED party materials. And then, as I mentioned before, there is lots of I2C stuff. So this is a femtosecond sensor. I'm not sure what I'm going to use that for, but got a few of those. And then this is, let's see what this is. It's I2C. 16-bit I/O expander. Oh, right. So this is probably an MCP or a different variant. And then we have a TCA 9458A. That is a I2C multiplexer, I believe. Yeah, we got a few of those. And then, for if you want to use Stemma or Stemma QT connectors, you can get some of these easy expander boards. So those, you can just plug in multiple. Got some of those. And I think this is also an MCP 2131? I don't know. An IO expander board. Yep. Okay. Okay, I'll sort it out later. Oh no, I got more LEDs, but these have more legs. So I think these are RGB instead of just a single color, right? Okay, yep, more of these. This is a BH750, so I think that's a temperature sensor or humidity or accelerometer. One of those. That's very specific. Not. Okay, I'm just sorting these out. Yeah, black one. What's this? Yep, IO expander. (16-bit) IO expander. Yes. Right, what's this? Guess what? It's an IO expander. I think I wanted to do some tests with IO expanders. And then we have a BH1750 and a GY302. Okay, I don't know from head what all these do, but I'll have most of it linked in the description. So now we go to the big box, and I don't think it'll fit on the screen. Barely. Because I believe this is something I need for what is arriving tomorrow. And that is a desk audio upgrade. So the box in here is a bit smaller, so that's good. So let's put that here. Yes. So this is a Loxjie, yes, A30, and a high-resolution power amplifier. Oh, it has high-res audio. And this thing should do multiple things. This should have a USB input, so I can use it as a USB sound card, basically. Oh, okay. Thank you for your purchase. No problem. And you can actually buy this on Amazon or Aliexpress, and I'll have both linked. But it has analog inputs, but it's not that good at analog inputs from what I gather and how it's constructed. But it's really excellent for digital inputs, so you can just use USB to connect with it. Sadly, it's micro USB, but we'll deal with it. Okay, the AC power cord. And then an AC adapter. This is 24 volt, 6.75 amps. That's pretty beefy. Yeah. Okay, cool, nice. It has a little antenna for, I think, the Bluetooth connection. Not really planning to use it for that, but okay. Comes with a little remote. Yep, I'm not sure what the plastic's on the back, but, you know, can't have a scratch on it, I guess. And then the unit itself. Ooh, that does look nice. I mean, I'm seeing all these things for the first time, too, so. It has volume or weird icon. It also has a headphone amplifier and a nice little screen on front. And on the back, it has, well, I'm not going to refocus for that. It has coaxial or left and right RCA in, but as I said, it's not really that good for analog. But coaxial in, optical in, here you can put the Bluetooth antenna here. Subwoofer out, so any audio you put in, you can get the subwoofer signal out separately. USB in, and that's what I'll be using to connect it to my computer to use it as a sound card, basically. And then it has speaker posts for your speakers, because next to a DAC, so a digital to audio to analog converter, digital to analog converter, this is also a Class D amplifier. and I believe it has a real 2x 80 watts, which is pretty decent. As I said, I don't have the speakers to go for this to go with yet, but let's just, you know, how long have we been going? 30 minutes. Should this be a QuinBoxed Mega? I don't know. I guess we can call it a QuinBoxed Mega. We'll do that. Let's plug it in, see it turns on. I guess I should put the antenna on, right? Anything that has an antenna, it's better not to turn it on without the antenna on there. This will probably mostly do receiving, but you can blow up the end stage if you do it without the antenna. So we have the antenna on it, and we need power. Okay. And I'll try and show you somewhat. Let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. Loxjie. USB, no connect. Yes, that is correct. Okay, volume. Noise. Okay, it's you can push it. And then you can select input, output, equalizer, treble, bass, Bluetooth clear, I guess, dimmer. Okay, it's a really always on. Okay, it's a very clear screen. Treble. Okay, and I believe you can do EQ here. Well, we'll put it on direct for now. Color, I believe you can change the color of the menu. Yes, if we want orange, we have all LEDs in orange, so you know. Okay, how do I get out of the menu? Or do input? Or no, output. So you can select output speakers or headphones. As I said, it also has a headphone amplifier, and you can do Bluetooth, USB, optical, coaxial, or aux. But we're going to be using USB. I don't know how to get out of the menu. Let's see if we wait a little bit, it goes back. There we go. USB, no connect. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see my audio setup. My office still isn't done, and my ultimate overkill desk is still stuck in limbo. I have, again, taken up plans to start finishing that, but still we can take a look at the audio combinations I purchased to be powered with this thing, and let me know if you guys would like a video about that, well, basically with my opinion. And well, let's go. We do, yes. That is it for this QuinBoxed again. Thank you for continuing to watch these, and if you buy something, that is very much appreciated. And otherwise, I hope to see you back in a next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.